parallel parking here. So I'm just going to approach it about maybe 10 kilometers signal, and I'm checking the mirror too before my foot goes to the brake, just to make sure nobody's there.
The first step. The driver looks over his shoulder through the triangular window of the back door and drives backwards in a straight line. When the back end of the car on its right appears in that window, he turns the wheel to the right. Our car starts to back into the space. The second step, the driver puts the steering wheel into the straight forward position. The car moves in a straight line. The third step, the driver turns the steering wheel to the left. Now our car is inside the parking space, and we only need to put it parallel to the curb.
I'm going to stop mirror to mirror, about an arm's length or so away. And then I check, make sure that brake light's visible in the small window into reverse. One spin around, look around. And I'm just going to keep pressure on the brake. So right there. And you do this really nice. Like, you keep the car in motion. Most people don't. They just You did this really awesome. There. And then into park. Engage park. You don't really have to straighten the wheels out for this here. So signal weird. Left blind spot.